Hi there, welcome back again. After we have imported the list of the products, we are going to edit our products from the import list. You can click import list. We are going to edit these products that we have added it previously. So product title, the title is too short here, the title is too long. We need to make it short because CEO cannot recognize or make it confused. So we have collection here. This should go under shoes. And what else we need to customize? Then select the product, and then we are going to shoes type. If we make it shoes type, later on we can make shoes type if we have different shoes. The next we have variants. How many items, what type of items, color, so on you need to integrate into your store. Here this is SKU, it means the inventory, and let's deselect some items because the quantity is very big here. And deselect, and I don't need this color. Also deselect, deselect red one, deselect red, deselect 9 red, and deselect this. Just I'm doing randomly here. At the time of you are doing the real or the actual integration, you have to select based on. Then we need to check the pricing. Here is very important. Here we have the action here. If we collect action, we have split the price, remove the products. Then we have the cost of the products. Here the cost is $12.69, and then shipping cost. These all would be your cost, so you have to be very careful. And while you are editing or adjusting the price of the product, we will discuss later more about shipping. Then price, this is you can change the price here. The price after including your profit, it means your profit is 9. Here you can change all price, and you can multiply the price by, let's try this. For example, if we change the price from this the current one 25 then to 25, then we reduce the price of our products. Before our profit was 9 something, now only $4. Then we can change all comparative, what's called compare at the price. This is not too much important for the compare at the price, but the most important things, your cost plus shipping, and then your profit, how much profit you need to add. Now the product is 14, our profit is 14. I think this is very high. We can reduce it later, or you can keep it as it is. So now it's comparative between the price, and this one is same. Then we can go for description. This is the description section. You can change the description, then the session, item type. Your customer will see this type of product description, then you can adjust whatever you want. Then we have the image or the photo of the product. So let's deselect some and add some new Then we can, from the action here, then we can import. So while we are importing the products, we have two options: import as a draft or as active. If we select active, by default the product will be displayed on our store. Now is going to integrate it from Apollo to the product. So if we go there, we will see these products on our store and ready for sale. Here let's select again all, and we can do this, apply the same. Always try to change the color, because try to change the title of the products, because once customer use the SEO search optimization to find your products, this name, product title already created by someone or the supplier, it means the SEO will send, Google SEO will send the products, the person or the customer to the supplier, to the supplier website instead of your store. And that's why you need to change it and make it shorter. Always, once the project title is shorter, that would be the good sign. Then this is under men's clothing, and we are applying the same methodology here. And then again, this is watch. We change the, reduce the color, title of the product is, and then we can select the collection under watch. Then if we are I escaped some of them. These are the list of the products we integrated and adjusted all of them. There is something wrong here. Two items are unavailable. That means we have to either to delete from our store or inventory, and then select more. Also, there are 5 unavailables into the supplier. This means already have been sold by the supplier. The supplier decreased his inventory, so out of stock, and we can delete all these whatever is out of stock. So here the currently AliExpress products and AliExpress variant cost. So here also we need to adjust this, and again one more item also. Then the color is not available, so we just changing the color, which is that one is not, and then click save. It's very important. Then okay, perfect. Next video we are going to see the actual products on our Shopify store. Thank you so much, and see you in the next session.